Alright, so what's up? I'm back on another vlog, and today we're gonna go buy spark plugs. Look how hot it is, though. I don't know if you can see it. 101. Sheesh, your boy got that frizz. So we're about to go to El Monte, like 20-30 miles away type, just so I can get spark plugs, because I need to change spark plugs in my car because my car keeps breaking up, and I've been, especially when you have a turbo or a supercharged car, I heard they got a gap, for sure got to gap down the plug. So online, I don't want to wait 2 weeks. I already tried buying them off Edge Autosport and they were sold out. So I found them in Napa, which is like 20 miles away from me. I'm like, fuck it, man, I don't want to wait long. I don't want to wait a whole week just for him to get shipped. So I'm gonna go get them right now. Chilling with my bro Albert. He's not gonna say what's up? Shy ass. Alright, for sure. So we'll pick up the vlog later, hopefully. Nah, I'm not gonna race somebody, it's too hot, and I got my little bro with me. So yes sir. Yes sir, ski double ski broski. Cold water. So what's up? Made it to the fucking auto parts store, Napa. Hey, if you from the hood, I'm not disrespecting y'all. Auto and truck parts store, we'll call it that. One in Monte. You know, I got my muzzle on. You know how vibes are. Shit, it's hot as fuck. We're just talking about how cold this shit is, huh? Gotta put my muzzle on. Knew what door to slave, you feel me? Let's get it.
Oh.
Look at the, you know. Yeah. Nobody.
This one.
I went to the car meet, and I had to edit that video, by the way.
What?
The car meet video, and fucking, there was a car crew called Hero Society, and every car was like a action hero, and there was one like Batman, Superman. It was pretty cool. It was pretty cool.
When you get your,
I'm a criminal.
Once you get the gray one, you know what that is for?
Oh yeah.
And then you could use this.
Hey. Found it. This little truck right here is dope. Damn. That shit looks sick. Not a truck type of dude, but you know, shit hard. I'm an idiot, y'all. I left my wallet at home. They weren't trying to give me my fucking spark plug. Talking about, oh, you need your ID so I can verify. I'm like, this is a spark plug, laser iridium. The model number is 95660. So this should be working good. I didn't even buy a gap tool because I can't even fucking change my spark plugs. I'm an idiot. I can't even buy my spark plugs. So fortunately that sucks. I gotta go buy a gap tool. We'll probably go tomorrow. I might have to change it tomorrow. I can't change it today. I wanted to do it today, but I can't. But yeah though. Hey, let me see how they look. Open the box. Okay. To the vegan people, fam. You feel me? Farmer John kills, I don't know what it says. Eating animals causes pandemics. You feel me? Shout out to these people, man. Weirdos, but hey. Okay, I don't know. I'm gonna keep it real though. Y'all talking about eating animals cause pandemics, but y'all fucking walking with some face masks in your face. So you're kind of contradicting yourself in a way. You feel me? So I fuck with the vegan part, but y'all niggas still wearing masks. So you a bot. Hit that pool, you feel me? What is this, COVID-19 testing? Bot testing head ass. Oh, look at this shit. Point at that shit. That's where all the bots be. I don't give a fuck if I hurt feelings in the comments, because I don't give a fuck about nobody. Alright, it's top of the morning. I'm back into the vlogs. Kind of early for me, so fuck it. So we're gonna do the spark plugs today. Like I said, laser iridium. Here's the model number. This is the model number that was given to me. Tools you'll need is a 916 spark plug socket. I got a 3/8, a drive inch or whatever, an extension and a ratchet, and a 10 millimeter. You're gonna need a 10 millimeter socket. My bad, it's early. And I got a gapper, so we gotta gap them down to 0.27, I believe. So here's the gap tool, and we're gonna do it to 0.27. So I'm gonna put the POV so y'all can get it through. Alright, for sure. So I'm testing them out. I'm watching a video and they said to do it at 27,000. And right now I'm right about 27,000 actually. So that's cool. Number one is out, so I don't have to do that one. So let's separate this one. Oh, this one looks right about it too. I don't know, these come gapped at 27,000 already, but we'll test out the OEM ones and see what those are. Cause those are 27,000. I'm gonna have to go down lower type, you feel me? So let's check this shit out. Same. So that's cool. I don't have to even gap them. I've never got the spark plug in my life. Back then I would just switch them out. Brand new spark plugs, boom. I was never tuned. So money. So if you guys buy the NGK N5660, you will not have to gap them down. So that's already a great thing. All right, so first we're gonna take off these 4 10mm screws holding in the coil pack. So let's go ahead and take off this shit right here. So we'll do one by one because I don't want to get confused type, you feel me? So get your 10, put my other glove on, and get my hands dirty. So lefty loosey. Easy money. Boom. Damn, this one was burnt already. Let's measure this one. About the same, to be honest. Fuck it. Go down to just a tad bit. So I'm gonna get it down to 25. Just because I am running higher boost. Slowly. Make sure it's not too tight, you feel me? Oh, hell no. Fuck, oh, here it is. Boom. Clip it right back in. Get your 10. Yo, so I'm hella upset because my GoPro died on me. Fuck. So hopefully I got the best clips I possibly could. But it's the first startup. Let's see if this start up. And we did a good job. Sheesh. No problems. Okay. Hella good. Everything started good. So hopefully I got some clips. If not, fuck it. Just know that like I did switch on my spark plugs, and we're gonna go for a test run. So I'll pick this up. Let me just clean up. Now it might not just me. I'm about to go for my first ride right now, but honestly, it's warming up. Honestly, so far the idle feels actually better. It's not actually like bouncing up and down. So let's go for a first ride around the block. Does feel smoother, I will say that. Definitely feels smoother. Definitely feels smoother. Let's do a sport mode, the higher boost setting. Smoother for sure. Yes sir, this is way smoother. Car feels a bit more responsive on throttle, so that's good. So maybe that is a thing, you know? Maybe whenever you do tune your car, you do gotta yeah, I like it. So I'm gonna change my every 10,000 miles. Because there's nothing but traffic on this bitch. Pick it up whenever it should get interesting, but so far, if you're tuned, you gotta change all your spark plugs. It's only 60 bucks. It's worth it because it's not sputtering no more or breaking up yet. So do it one more time. Oh, the cop right there. So I'll pick this up later. Hitting 120 down Bob Speedway. Shout out Larry Jones.